Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to SS Easy Education. Today we will learn Chapter 4 Tax Authority, Types of Authority, Executive Authority and Judicial Authority. Income tax authorities hold the sole responsibility to execute the laws regulating to income tax applicable in the land and run various departments for streamlining the function like identification of assessee, computation of taxable income, net tax liability, receiving application in this regard, and appeal listening to complaints, hearings, even changing or repealing various sections, etc. So, income tax authorities has done a tremendous work to implement this act, that is ITO ordinance and other relative acts which are essential for collecting tax, VAT and other taxes. Types of income tax authorities. Income tax authority may be classified into two major groups. Types mainly depend on their function, namely administrative function and judicial function. So there are two types of income tax authorities. Administrative authority. The list is the administrative authorities list. National Board of Revenue, which is the highest authority, administrative authority for tax collection. Then Chief Commissioner of Taxes, Director General of Inspection, Commissioner of Taxes, Director General Training, Director General, Commissioner of Taxes, Additional Commissioners of Taxes, Joint Commissioner of Taxes, Deputy Commissioner of Taxes. Tax Recovery Officer, Assistant Commissioner of Taxes, Extra Assistant Commissioner of Taxes and Inspector of Taxes. So these are the administrative authorities of NBR. You should study Deputy Commissioner of Taxes in detail. Then Judicial Authority, this is Appellate Tribunal, Commissioner of Taxes Appeal, Appellate Additional Commissioner of Taxes and Appellate Joint Commissioner of Taxes. So here Appellate Additional Commissioner of Taxes আমরা বলবো AACT and Appellate Joint Commissioner of Taxes AJCT. Now from the highest Appellate Tribunal. Government shall establish a taxes appellate tribunal consisting a president and such other members as time to time fix. Appointment of president. Government shall appoint one of the members of appellate tribunal who is a member of a board. And then he was qualification of the chairman. He was or is a member of the board or holds the current charge of a member of the board. He was a commissioner of taxes. He is a commissioner of taxes. He is a chartered accountant and practiced professionally for a period not less than 8 years. He is a cost and management accountant and practiced professionally for a period not less than 8 years. He is an income tax practitioner within the meaning of section 1742 of practice professionally or not less than 20 years. So an advocate can also be a member. And then he is a professional legislative expert having not less than 8 years experience in the process of drafting and making financial and tax laws. He is an advocate and practiced professionally for not less than 10 years in any income tax office. He was or has been a district judge. Powers and functions of AT shall be exercised by benches of AT constituted by president and not less than 2. Powers and functions. It can accept appeal of an assessee who is aggrieved by the order of the appellate of JCT or the CT appeals as the case may be. It can also accept appeal of DCT against the order of an appellate joint commissioner or the commissioner appeals. It may pass orders as it thinks fit after giving both the parties a chance of being heard, and it may call for relevant particulars or cause further inquiry by the DCT before disposing of any appeal. It may also direct the DCT to amend the assessment of an assessee. So these are the powers and functions. And the next, It has the same powers as are vested in a court under CPC 1908 when trying a suit of certain matters. It may impose a penalty for concealment of income by the assessee. Send copy of the order of penalty or an assessee to the DCT. The orders from the AT on appeal shall be final. It will communicate its order on the appeal of the assessee and to the commissioner within 30 days from the date of such order. Then powers and responsibilities of AJCT. He can inspect any register of the members, debenture holders or mortgagees of any company or any entry in such register as per section 114. He can impose penalty for concealment of income on the assessee as per section 128. He can order for imposing penalty and a copy of such order can be sent to the DCT for taking necessary steps as per section 132. He can accept an appeal against order of DCT and inspecting joint commissioner as per section 153 and 154. Lastly, he has the power to fix a day and place for hearing of the appeal as per section 155. And then he has the power to retain, change, reduce, enhance or cancel the decision of DCT after hearing the appeal as per section 156. AACT appointed, controlled by the board and directed for specified areas, classes or person or income, but their appellate power cannot be interfered by the board. C of T, Commissioner of Taxes, a person appointed in that post, appointed directly, controlled and directed by the board for specified areas, person, classes of person or income. Aggrieved party, any appeal to him against AJCT, তার এগেনস্টে কোনো আপিল কিন্তু AJCTর কাছে করা যায়, সেটা আবার এখানে বলা হচ্ছে। সো যদি তোমাদের কোনো প্রশ্ন থাকে তোমরা কমেন্টসে করতে পারো। আর এটা আমরা খুব সংক্ষেপে এখানে লেকচারটা শেষ করেছি, তোমরা এটা ডিটেইলে অবশ্যই চ্যাপ্টার থেকে পড়ে নিও। সো মিট ইউ সুন ইনশাল্লাহ। আল্লাহ হাফেজ।